Sonia Gandhi responding to the letter that Anna Hazare wrote to her. Sonia Gandhi in fact writing to Anna Hazare and saying that she does not support or encourage any kind of politics that involves a smear campaign. Let's go across to Nandita joining us with more on this. Nandita, what does Sonia Gandhi say in this letter?
Well, a couple of important points. First of all, she says that she does not encourage politics of any sort of smear campaign. And of course, remember in the past also there have been allegations that Anna Hazare has written to Sonia Gandhi and Prime Minister on the Lokpal bill. But since there was no redressal or no cognizance taken of those letters, that's why the entire movement was started by Anna Hazare, which played itself out at Jantar Mantar. So clearly the Congress now not wanting to take any chance whatsoever, seeing the magnitude and the momentum with which Anna Hazare managed to mobilize public support. So Sonia Gandhi making it clear that she does not encourage this smear campaign which Anna Hazare has accused Congress leaders like Digvijay Singh and Kapil Sibal of making. So that perhaps is also a clear message to her own party members to refrain from making any such comments that can vitiate this dialogue process that's going on between both sides.
Right. Now, Sonia Gandhi is definitely trying to put across a very significant message, not just by the contents, by the fact that she is writing back to this, she's responding to this letter from Anna Hazare, isn't she? Nandita?
Well, Deep, if you could just repeat your question once, please.
Let's go across to Navika Kumar, a political editor, joining us at this juncture. Now, Navika, Sonia Gandhi here is trying to put across a very important message with the fact that she is responding to this letter from Anna Hazare, isn't she?
That's right. The very fact that Sonia Gandhi has responded to Anna Hazare and replied to the letter that Anna Hazare had written to her clearly shows that at this point, with public mood being with the movement and the fight against corruption that Anna Hazare is spearheading, she's taking no chances and not wanting to appear as somebody who did not have an open mind or did not want to really get into a dialogue. And that's the reason she's replied. And very clearly here, drawing out that she did not really believe in any kind of smear campaign to undermine the movement. And she said that there is a commitment that she upholds in the fight for probity in public life. Clearly, Sonia Gandhi pointing out to Anna Hazare at this point in time that the Congress was committed to fighting against corruption. It was something Sonia Gandhi said in the special session of the Congress party in December here in Burari, and she's reiterated her stand to Anna Hazare.